guys, you want to go plant shopping? Okay, so I got a little extra money, I got a little extra time, I got the car today, so I thought I would take you guys out with me to do some plant shopping. And everyone's staring at me right now. Okay, let's go shopping. I'm at Home Depot. Ooh. Check it out, it's a bird shit Hoya. A new species. Ooh. That's expensive. I got not one, not two, not three, but 4 wish list plants. Okay, let's go to Lowe's. Holy shit. Those are peace lilies. Holy shit. It's windy. So I didn't get those giant peace lilies. It was so tempting though. How fucking crazy were those things? They were like prehistoric peace lilies. Okay, so I got a couple of little prayer plants. They look slightly sad. Definitely overwatered, but they were only $3.98. So I'm gonna put them together in a pot and hopefully they'll bounce back. Because I really want one and I haven't found one. For some reason they're super common for everybody else to find in their stores, but I can never find them anywhere. Okay. Let's go somewhere else. Maybe let's go check Walmart. Maybe Walmart has plants. Pots at Walmart right now. They're like okay price. If you need terracotta, it's cheap. So they finally got plants in there, but they don't have any of the cool ones that everybody else seems to have at their Walmarts. But those palms looked really good. I think they just got them. They were like nice and they had all this new growth on them. And I totally would have bought one because I really want one, but I don't have anywhere to put it and I don't think I would have fit in the car. So I left it there. So I did get some pots and I should probably stop now, but I'm not gonna. Oops.